Meaning of demobilize.
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 Demobilize. The term demobilize refers to the process of disbanding or releasing troops from military service. It involves the return of soldiers, equipment and other resources back to their homes or bases. Demobilization marks the end of a period of active military duty for soldiers and brings an end to wartime activities. Once the process of demobilization is complete, soldiers are able to return to civilian life and resume their normal routines. Overall, demobilization is a crucial step in restoring peace and stability in areas affected by conflict.